Hi everyone, I'm Ashfaq. In this video, I will show you 16 Pro Max password remove method. It is not original mobile, it's a clone mobile. If you forgot your password, don't worry, I will step by step I will explain. First of all, power off your mobile and press the volume down and power key and switch off your phone, and after that press the volume up button and power button, and just a 5 second if you press and volume up button and power button together, and after that recovery mode is coming. If you like my video, can you please subscribe my channel and keep watch.